How to check kidney stone in ultrasound, 3D medical animation 1 intro. Abdomen scan starts ultrasound is the most common and safe way to check for kidney stones. -2. 3D kidney appears with ultrasound waves. The probe sends high-frequency sound waves into the kidney. 3. Stone appears bright white on screen when the sound waves hit a stone. They reflect back strongly. The stone looks like a bright white spot on the ultrasound image. 4. Dark area behind stone appears. A dark shadow behind the bright area confirms the presence of a kidney stone. 5. Highlight stone in kidney cross-section view. Ultrasound helps find the stone's size, shape, and location. 6. Zoom out with both kidneys shown. It is a painless, radiation-free test used in hospitals and clinics. 7. Out row with text on screen. Kidney stone detection. Simple, safe, and effective. Stay hydrated to prevent kidney stones. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.